Demand for inner line permit system continues. Locals today block Imphal Ukhrul Road and Khurai to Gwaltabi Road. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee appeals for a talk rather than arguing on inclusion of Meiteis in the ST list. Manipur Handloom Mark released with the aim to create separate identity of handloom products of the state. And Revenue Department evicts shops and private houses built on encroached land alongside National Highway 37. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Tenshivam Sangeeta with top stories and latest news at this hour. Locals today blocked the Imphal Ukhrul Road for an hour today in support of JCILP's demand to make the three bills passed by the state into an act. JCILPS have demanded people of the valley to block roads at various areas for an hour to show their support to their movement. Maida Paibis and youths along Khurai to Gwaltabi blocked the road. On the other hand, sit-ins were held at Khurai Thangjom Lekai, Khurai Lamlong Bazar, Khurai Thongam Lekai, Khurai Sajor Lekai, Khurai Konsam Lekai, Kangla Chingarel Tejpur, Sombong Bazar, Sombong Kabuikul, Lamlai Chalo Bazar, Nongai, Yaurabung, Kharasam Shanti Bazar, Nongada Saijang Mayai Lekai, Sanukok, Sabungkok Khuno, Yangang Popi Bazar, Yangang Popi Nongdam, Gwaltabi, Kaibi, Napetpalli, Itam Nungoy and Sana Sabi Lekai area. Students of school along the Ukhrul Road also staged sit-in, demanding to the three bills into an act. The Bandh supporters blocked the road and made to return those who came along the road. After the sit-ins, human chains were formed. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Secretary, retired Colonel Laishram Lokendra today said the people who are against the demand of the Meiteis to include in the Scheduled Tribe list has got a secret agenda. R.K. Rajendra opined that it would not be right to chase a demand over the context of a few quotas and everyone should sit together and have discussion. R.K. Rajendra was speaking on the 14th Foundation Day of the Ethno Heritage Council Herikon held at GM Hall today. Speaking at the function, Herikon Secretary General Haisnam Oken expressed his concern over today's prevailing situation, where people are not able to exercise their rights to live properly due to the rise of unrest and chaos in the society. He further said people today seem to have forgotten their roots and the sense of brotherhood amongst each other and appealed everyone to try and mend the same. Chief guest of the occasion, Aimol Tribe Union Manipur President R.T. Akhil Aimol said it is unfortunate that few people are turning themselves against the people's movement for a cause, and it shows the lack of unity amongst the citizens. He concluded, instead of arguing with each other, we all should sit together and talk it out. The final round of the Kangminasi Iramdam quiz was also held as part of the event, and many cultural programs were also held.
North East lane bomi putting of young can propose inside to Oro, tribal side to Oro, Bailey the lake Oro, table to a rectified to a pilot of Taragadi, Masi, Nipum putting of the yard, group of Manakanatale, group of Manakanajeta, getting successful book to choose in you. Aduga, majority when a lady was now with a sin. Kaibung have a commencing. Editas standing the minority group of women. Aduga, ye never suggested to get standing the Marabudi, Mapima power in a majority swing slave letter. Nakuin Lamzinga, Sisa and a guide to
A discussion was held on the demand of the inclusion of the Meiteis in the ST list by the Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee since 2011. Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur (PPCM) organized a discussion program on Scheduled Tribe status in Manipur at Patsoit Part 2 Makhalekai Community Hall today. PPCM convener Dr. Y. Manikuman said there is vast confusion regarding inclusion of Meitei in the ST list. He said there is an urgent need to discuss over the pros and the cons regarding the inclusion of the Meiteis in Scheduled Tribe list.
Hana already tribal scheduled tribe to Ladybug Purp Singna. I quite welcome to Gudra. ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯆꯃꯝꯅꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯀꯟꯐ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯗꯤꯛꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯇꯁꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯜꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯗꯨꯜ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯦꯟꯇꯦꯇꯤꯚꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯩꯅꯔꯒ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯈꯪꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯆꯪꯈꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯪꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ.
Manipur Handloom Mark was released today at Manipur Press Club today. The function was jointly organized by Handlooms Promotion Council Manipur and Manipur Apex Handloom Weavers and Handicrafts Artisans Limited, Imphal. As part of the function, Manipur Handloom Mark was also distributed to the weavers of the state. The function was attended by members of Weavers Service Center, Ministry of Textiles and Manipur Apex Handloom Weavers. Addressing the gathering, Assistant Director Design, Weavers Service Center, Ministry of Textiles, C. Rajashekharan stated, the products of Manipur Handloom is well known throughout the country. Releasing of Manipur Handloom Mark will surely create separate identity of the products of Manipur Handloom.
Manipur Handloom Mark is must. Separately, that identify will be there. This is the Manipur variety. This is the Manipur Handloom Mark identity is there. If this Manipur Handloom Mark, not only Manipur state, I wish to spread all over country, all over India, in all over world also, that separate identify Manipur textiles should popularize all over India.
State Revenue Department today evicted shops and private houses built on the encroached land on both sides of National Highway 37 near Government Polytechnic Training Center at around 9:30 this morning. Officials of the department along with police dismantled the illegal structures using JCB. However, shopkeepers opposed and resisted this step. A shopkeeper, S. Amudon, said an order was issued on 14 May stating the people to remove the structure on their own. He said shopkeepers have been trying to remove the structure following the order. But the officials, without any prior information, came and forcibly dismantled all the shops and house along the stretch beyond usable.
수도권 알아서 꽂아있지. 땅 아무 가는나봐 덤비람 따라가디. 거기 안 변적어도 낭하우드래 거기. 마탁도 미스티 거기 엄마리 가갈리니. 가가나 다시 시비 돌아가 꽂아락 보시디. 다시나 거기 핫게 하독 비로 수고 सरकार이 얌나 nasi lengaki yang pian da ba hai tare ai ko ji moi praja ba.
District Police Commander Bishnupur and 31st Assam Rifles conducted frisking and checking at Kaibulam Jau and arrested active cadre of RPF BLA. The person has been identified as Ningthaujam Lokhon, also known as Nanau, from Kaibulam Jau Thanalerag. A case has been registered at the Moirang Police Station. Education Minister Dr. K. Ratan Kumar today urged the teachers of the state to hold a discussion and make plan to make students attend classes regularly. Minister Ratan Kumar appealed to the teachers to continue guiding students selflessly, saying that the government is working on to fulfill the demands of the teachers. Minister said it is fortunate that the teachers have knowledge about the Manipur Higher Education Code. The minister made the statement during a one-day state-level discussion on Manipur Higher Education Code from the perspective of RUSA and UGC. Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur organized a function at the conference hall of State Guest House located near Sanjanthong. Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur President L. Landhoni appealed to the minister to hold screening of the teachers for testing their physical and mental fitness. She requested that in case the teachers are fit, then their retirement age can be relaxed till 70 years from the present 65 years. She also suggested that BOSEM and COSEM chairman posts, which is generally held by an IAS or an IPS, can be given to the teachers who have vast experience. Landhoni brought up the issue that there is need for construction of a conference hall where teachers can have their meetings.
We are seized with so many issues. Issues may have seized over. I don't know blockade the general strike academic atmosphere disturbance ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯔꯟ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯅꯔꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯕ
National Students Union of India NSUI Northeast Cell is organizing academic career counseling program from 28th of May at DM College. Speaking to media persons today at Congress Bhavan, NSUI Manipur State in charge Amin Shah said that students who want to study outside Manipur face a lot of problem while getting admission. To ease the problem, NSUI is organizing career counseling program, legal awareness and clear-cut guidelines for the students of Manipur who recently passed the 12th standard while seeking admission, particularly in Delhi University, Jamia Millia University and Jawaharlal Nehru University for their further studies.
Handakti akhoi NSUI akhoi lariba wingsina satra ki sangstan oiba congress manungi lariba akhoi wingsina adumba satra singi oijaba career gi oiba counseling ama yam phajana tawraga where and whom karamba jaga da kanada kanagi guide lauraga Delhi da UP da Chennai da Bengaluru da tongan ba state ta mafam sei bharat manungi amji outside India चप्पे आबा सारी होना गाइडलाइन पीरगा हेन नुंगाइना सात्रसिंगी फागटना बेदम तो कोई कन्न अनोबा प्रोग्राम होना कोई कांग्रेस की मखादे की चथरगा प्रोग्राम कोई पाके हुनु जबनी.
Addressing the gathering, NSUI Northeast convener P. Bakim Chandra Maitai said the career counseling will be held at 4 zones, that is Imphal, Bishnupur, Thoubal and Komlathabi in Chandel district. For Imphal East and Imphal West, the career counseling will be conducted on 20th of May at DM College.
North East ki oiba tongan helpline ama akoi gi SCP Robin Hibuna hangdokre 1093 da satra singna awaba thengnaba matamda call tobiraga makoi gi problem sing du share toba yagani nupi oibi singina Women's Helpline number 1091 da. Khudaki oina aikoina haiba number singsi kauthokhragana Delhi Police ki emergency helpline number 100 da dial tobiraga akoigi awaba singdo koknanaba grievances sing share toba yagani ahanba si DM college tani aduna media gi khuthangdagi akoigi mahairoi tungi backbone oibiriba chilinau singna career counseling program asibu soidana lengbirakuna koi program asidagi kanaba kitang da orso phanghoba yabra haiduna thamje.
A 3-day national workshop on the theme Information Marketing for Transformational Library User to Electronic Library User in Digital Era began today at the seminar hall of NIT Manipur, Langol. Director NIT Manipur Dr. Sarumbam Birendra, Librarian NIT Silchar Kishore Chandra Satpathy, Dean Academic NIT Manipur Dr. K.H. Manglem, Registrar MIT R.K. Lalit, staff, students, research scholars and faculty members took part at the inauguration of the event. Director Dr. Sarumbam Birendra said, although traditional library has a lot of advantages, digitization of traditional library in the digital era is a must. Digitization of libraries will also lighten the burden of the librarian. Director also added that the seminar is very relevant to the present age and appealed to all to take the benefits of this seminar.
Earlier, library used to be one of the big facilities in every institute, and people used to go and refer to books. But today, because of this information technology explosion, many times you don't need to go there because they are all available on your device if you are connected. Traditional library will have to transform itself, cater to the need of information today and how it is disseminated to the students.
A one-day symposium on the concepts of love and lust in Manipuri literature was held today at Chandrakirti Auditorium, Palace Compound. The symposium was organized by the Cultural Forum of Manipur in connection with its 58th Foundation Day to be held tomorrow. Kaisamthong MLA Laisom Ibomcha, Thanga MLA T. Mangibabu, among others, attended the inaugural session of the symposium. 6 resource persons deliberated on the theme. They opined that love and lust are eternal. Words used in Lai Harawa ceremony are full of love and affection. Khamba Thoibi, the Manipuri epic, may even exist if love and lust were not there.
Manipur side tagi side asibu seba tobani haidana leiraga aikoina creative oiba ai yong akta aikoina sangsil laga leibana taba hiram masida aikoigi side ase kadai bhawa sangsil lage khongpham mase kadai bhawa lekharge phambam mase kadai bhawa lekharge haiba nainaba natanadi madu aikoina khangba ngamdi hari Manipuri side da yauriba lap amasung las sipuna makse ngasai atopa side dagi madamdagi loksilubagi thaidopa wafamdi leiroi haina aina khanjai.
A reception ceremony of Kumantham Diana, 24th position holder of the UPSC Civil Services Examination 2015, was held at Manipur Fire Service Headquarters near Polo Ground. The reception ceremony was organized by the staff of the Manipur Fire Service. Presenting gifts to Diana, the staff of the department hoped that she will be able to bring more laurel and wish her luck in her future endeavor. Department of Commerce and Industries, Government of Manipur, in association with Editors Guild Manipur, will organize second International Media Exposure Tour only for editors to Mandalay and places along the international border as part of India government's locust policy. Interested editors may submit his or her name to the General Secretary, Editors Guild Manipur, by 25th of May. More All Community Leaders and Indo-Myanmar Workers Forum, in a press note, appealed to concern to release Muhammad Jalaluddin and Muhammad Khairuddin from Moria Muslim Nagar in case any group have kidnapped them. Both of them are missing after they went for fishing at Kondong. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
The first urban cross hatchback Datsun Ready Go with 800cc Supna Tagilupa Lak Animakai Piva car Sigi features Sindi ground clearance 185 mm, space 222 liters, power steering, drive computer, mileage 25.14 km per liter, immobilizer, passenger class warranty. Lupalising mga kata na book Tawbiharo, Island Nissan near Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal. Datsun Ready Go.
Delta Tutorals for CBSE. Admissions open. Class 9, 10 and 12 Science from April 4. Class 12 Arts from May 4. Class 11 Science from June 6. Vacation course for Navodayas and others from May 4. Class timing 5:30 to 9:30 a.m. and 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. For details, please visit Delta Tutorals between 6 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Manipurgi ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahanba ngami tattoo mole freckle na chingbasu lauthokpa yai hakchanggi ahenba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ahanba lakpiba 100 customer da skin test amadi doctor consultation lemna hingjagan ngasimak unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic, MZ Avenue, Imphal.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Many elderly women marched towards the Chief Minister's bungalow as part of the JC against the cruel firing to Nungai Mairapaibi protests against the state government's failure to arrest the culprits involved in the April 11th firing incident, which left 14 persons injured. The rally was stopped by police near City Convention Palace compound, though the JC managed to submit a memorandum to the Chief Minister. The memorandum demanded to take necessary actions against the culprits involved as soon as possible and to set up a police outpost at Nungai at this soon. Further, they said they will be compelled to intensify the agitation if the government fails to address their issues within 5 days. A fire broke out in the Mobile All Godown at Dharamshala, Imphal this evening around 5:30. The godown is based in the ground floor of one Mahabir Prasad. A team of Manipur Fire Service and City Police rushed to the spot to control the fire, but they were unable to enter the godown as the shutter was down. Later, an additional team rushed to the spot and controlled the fire. The fire service team said candle must have caused the fire and worsened as firecrackers were kept in the godown. Vendors of Hajingang in Market Hill, Kanchipur today stayed sitting at the market shed against the planting of bomb near the shop of Lorembam Rameshwar of Kiamgai Mamanglekai on 14th of May. Placards that read, "Don't plant bomb in public places" and "Don't create panic" among the people were used during the sit-in. A protester added that band outfit KCP MJC earlier asked Rameshwar to surrender himself before the party without any clear reason. But creating panic among the people by planting or exploding bomb is strongly condemnable and also appealed to all concerned not to repeat such act in future.
Akoi ngasi phamiba mifamje akoi mirakta bom thamba langjanba sigumbaje yaningdaba phongtokpagi phamba mifamni yanadaba mi leire haidana akoi mirakta mi leiba mafamda langjanbaje mi masadudi sokpa yai soktaba yai aduga leiriba mi mayamsida kariguma sokpa panba tawragadi moi singba ngamgadra akoidi ichagi icha amha ngaktani kanabusu akoina hena nungsiba leite aduga mabu kari tawjige kai tawjige haiba natana hatpagi kainoda lakpaji laibara hatke khalibara natraga ki halibara madu honaba matamda akoi leiriba barja mayam haibadi akoibada leiriba tariba mayam je sok epal hena khalagadi makhoi kai dawgadorige aduna yarbe makai akoi mirak sida bom nung thambidaba langsanbidaba asimadi akoi pamse.
Meanwhile, Kanglepa Communist Party Military Joint Committee KCP MJC in a press note has claimed its hand in the planting of the bomb at Lorembam Rameshwar's shop. The group accused L. Rameshwar for misappropriating huge fund meant for the development of Manipur University. Residents of Ucheko Nongpo Gram GP Ward number 6 in Imphal East complained that most of the poor families did not receive ration card for Food Security Act. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, Ucheko Nompo Gram Panchayat 14/6 Development Committee Secretary Sanasam Beda Devi said forms for ration were submitted to agent Moiranthem Amu, but most of the poor families were not included in the list at the distribution and condemned the act.
Khara mana kana basi pikhraga atopa lemhoriba khara madi masi kudong chab samata phangdreba ada leihoriba mi sing phangdri su kai no haibada suki matik kudong chadraba mi hujik suraga nomaga charaga horen kari hoidoi no khangdabana ayamba bangalta su oyeba adigi widogumba sigumba mayam sta pifam tokpa singje phangdagi matang ta sengna khoi siam penre da khoi nong matang sa haininge mari leinaba authority na masi kamai tawbano haiba sing bioba aduga sagi phangi sna karamba piba yaba mida masi khudong chabse piribino aduga kamai tawdana masi khudong chabse phangdriba singjina kamai tawdana moina pibiraktivino simaje khoi hangningi si.
Deputy General Manager Northeast Frontier Railway Maligaon in a press release informs the selection of Posambam Shashikanta Singh from Oripok Sorbon Thingel from the state as Zonal Railway Users Consultative Committee member. Shashikanta Singh has been asked to send a declaration stating that he is not engaged with any business with the railways at present, along with his email ID, mobile number and 2 photographs. Bharatiya Janata Party Patsoi Mandal State Councillor Chungkham Bijoy today extended help to poverty-stricken Kumalambam Shanti of Takel Khongbal Maninglekai. Councillor Chungkham Bijoy also took Shanti to RIMS for treatment as she is unable to afford medical expenses. Shanti has been keeping unwell for quite a long time, due to which she is unable to do any physical work. Shanti said she has 6 children and her husband, Kumalambam Nilakumar, died 17 years ago. She also started working at a brick kiln at Chekon to support her children. Shanti expressed her happiness and gratitude to Patsoi BJP Mandal State Councillor Chungkham Bijoy for helping her.
I awaba pundama hasang the nuaita kudima I wariba mayam the tang the ipon bizuina aida muta awa mating pang the I anabazu panzagi has an la sakari sat the ayun the kudung saba come to pang the ayun the seeing cars kang de the sinka kang de luka bigi yum loans have the kang de mi punama the loans have a do a da have a loy my nada tado I nasibo omo pangiva late yunda.
On the other hand, Chungkham Bijoy appealed to leaders who are representatives of the people to help those who are unable to afford medical expenses. He assured full cooperation from his side in helping destitute people. It may be mentioned that Chungkham Bijoy also extended help to R.K. Tampasana from Tera Sapam Lerak, who is admitted at Jenims due to leg injury last week.
Isi Santi ki damakta ay ngasi magi anaba ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯝꯕꯨꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯇꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯅꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯗ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯇꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯒꯩ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯥꯡꯖꯅꯤ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯑꯌꯦꯛ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯑꯅꯥꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯣ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯟꯗꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
Youth Library and Club Oripok Polem Lekai and the people of Oripok Polem Lekai jointly began a social service drive in and around the locality. As part of the drive, they are cleaning the drains and clearing of the drainage to avoid frequent flooding in the area due to rain and bad drainage system. The club, along with people of the Lekai, has apologized for the inconveniences caused to the commuters while the 4-day cleanliness drive is on in the area.
Oripok Polem Lekai si nongju tha lakpasida nong khajitang hek tabaga ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯌꯨꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯎꯔꯤꯄꯣꯛ ꯄꯣꯂꯦꯝ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯠ ꯂꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯔꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯀꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯈꯣꯡꯅꯥꯡꯕ ꯊꯧꯒꯜꯂꯣꯞ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯀꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ ꯂꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ.
A 2-day health camp began at the Smart Universal Academy, Sekmaijing, Kunaw yesterday. The camp is organized by the Smart Society Manipur. A team of 8 medical officers, general physician with the help of RDO Nursing College Lamdeng treated around 900 students of the school and distributed free medicines. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, KADA and Jada Kakching Kunaw organized a 1-day awareness program with the aim to uproot drug abuse from the state yesterday at Kakching Kunaw. Four-day campaign for social change in Lilong, organized by Integrated Development Organization Lilong, kicked off today. The campaign aims at clearing the preconceived notion of Lilong and the blame always attached to it in case of any crime that may occur in the state. Street corner meetings will be held at various places within Lilong and attract the people, especially the younger generation, into education and sports. President of the organization, Mohammad Roshan Khan, also flagged off a bike rally on the occasion. Now, some sports news. In a match of the 6th Hockey India Sub-Junior Men's National Hockey Championship A Division played today, Hockey Gangpur Odisha trounced Madhya Pradesh Hockey Academy 5-0, Delhi Hockey thrashed Hockey Andhra Pradesh 8-1, while Hockey Jharkhand defeated Hockey Karnataka 5-4. 16 teams, including teams from different states and union territories, are competing in the tournament organized by Manipur Hockey under the aegis of Hockey India at Kuman Lampak Hockey Stadium. Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association is organizing a 3-day Zuko Valley trekking from the 6th of June till the 8th of June. Secretary of MMTA in a press release informs that interested person may avail the application form from MMTA office, Minithong, and submit the same by the 1st of June. Dadra and Nagar Haveli Hockey Association and Hockey Bihar have entered Hockey India Sub-Junior Men's National A Division. In the 6th Hockey India Sub-Junior Men's National Championship B Division final match, Dadra and Nagar Haveli Hockey Association trounced Hockey Bihar 3-1. Both the teams have entered the A Division. In a match played for the 3rd place in the B Division, Hockey Bhopal defeated Chhattisgarh Hockey 7-4. 21 teams from different states and union territories have competed in the Championship B Division organized by Manipur Hockey under the aegis of Hockey India at Kuman Lampak Hockey Stadium. With that, it's a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. Demand for inner line permit system continues. Locals today blocked Imphal Ukhul Road and Khurai to Guardabi Road. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee appeals for a talk rather than arguing on inclusion of Meiteis in the Scheduled Tribe list. Manipur Handloom Mark released with the aim to create separate identity of handloom products of the state. And Revenue Department evicts shops and private houses built on encroached land alongside National Highway 37.